Hi, I'm David Cantor with Cantor Crane, and today I'm going to talk about victims of assault and also of domestic assault and lawsuits that can be filed. Now, first of all, a victim of assault or even domestic violence can have a potential lawsuit against their attacker. Now, domestic violence is only domestic violence if the people live together. Now, that can be romantic or it can be roommates or family members. Usually it's also can be spouses, siblings, and family members who don't live together, or people who are dating or who have a romantic relationship. That's all domestic violence if an assault occurs. Now, all other types of assault are just standard assaults. It could be strangers, it could be two buddies, whatever. Now, if the assault results in a wrongful death or fatality, go to cantorcrane.com/wrongful death or go to our website and click on wrongful death and we'll explain all of the possible remedies you have there. Now, liability. The liability can fall on the attacker, obviously. It can fall on the employer of the attacker. If the attacker was on the job, you can sue the person who employs them. If the attack occurs on premises, on a private premises, you can sue the owner of the premises for what's called as inadequate security. If you go to cantorcrane.com/premises liability, you can read all about that. You can also sue the parents of an attacker if the attacker is under 18 years of age or they're unemancipated, meaning they're 19 or 20 but they're still living at home. Now, for damages, meaning how much money can you get, go to cantorcrane.com/damages or go to our website and click damages. It'll explain all the different types of damages. But in a nutshell, there's medical bills, the existing ones and future medical bills. There is scar revision costs, that would fall into medical bills. There's employment losses. Hey, I was put out of work for X amount of time or I lost my job. That's damages. There's pain and suffering. There's life care costs. If you're bedridden for the rest of your life, that's covered. And lastly, surviving spouse and surviving kids for what's called loss of consortium in case this is a wrongful death case. Now, why hire Cantor Crane? Why hire us? Well, first of all, we can get you to the best medical care providers, physical therapists, occupational therapists. Many of them will take your case on a lien, meaning they won't charge you up front. They will take payment if and when your lawsuit settles down the road. Secondly, because Aaron and myself are both former prosecutors, we can assist in trying to get your case in front of the county attorney or the city attorney's office to see if they'll prosecute your attacker. We know how the system works, and if there's criminal liability, hopefully we'll get them charged. Lastly, because we've both been prosecutors and we're in the private sector, we have over 200 jury trials between us in all different types of cases. So we know this, the insurance companies know this. Because of that, they tend to settle with us quicker and for more money than they would with other lawyers. So if you're the victim of an assault, give us a call. It doesn't cost anything to sit down and meet with us. It does take 30 minutes though. You can do that in our office or we can do it at your house or the hospital if need be. But we look forward to hearing from you soon and we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.